As you can imagine, many clients have been emailing and calling us regarding court closures and evictions due to COVID-19, coronavirus. My name is Harry Heist, founding partner of Heist, Weiss & Wolk. We have a court information page set up on our main website, evict.com, and we will be updating it as we find out what courts are closed and what sheriff's departments are putting a hold on the writ of possession execution. This situation is changing rapidly in all 67 counties. We can't make any predictions at this time. If the courts are closed, your 3-day notice expiration date will be suspended, as this would be considered the same as a court-observed legal holiday. The court is closed. If you have any outstanding 3-day notices already served and the court in your county is closed, we recommend that once the court is reopened, you then would serve a brand new 3-day notice with no late fees or accrued late fees. We do not recommend you charge any per diem late fees during any court suspension period. This is going to take time for you to remove any late fees and per diem late fees that might have been charged or are accruing in your software system if the courts are indeed closed. If the court in your county is actually open and fully operational, the eviction actions will still be open and valid, but some judges and some clerks might place a hold on them until the situation settles down. Again, go to evict.com, which will take you to the most updated information that we have. We highly recommend that you take the following steps in addition to any other steps you deem appropriate or health officials might recommend. Your office should be closed to the public right now, including current residents and prospects, if at all possible. You can meet a new prospect outside the office. You might decide not to allow package deliveries to your office. A sign should be posted on your door indicating that any current residents or prospects are to call or to email your staff, and this should be monitored carefully and on a real-time basis. If you're going to refuse packages, the door sign should clearly indicate this. If rent payments are physically tendered to you, we recommend that gloves and masks are worn and sanitizer used if handling any envelopes or checks that are given to you. For prospects that might be looking for an apartment or house, we would urge you to develop an immediate company policy on what protective measures you're going to take, such as wearing gloves, using sanitizers, wearing masks when showing these properties. Avoid touching any surfaces, and if you or a prospect touches a surface, such as a door handle or a light switch, this should be sanitized before and after. Remember, the first thing a resident or a prospect will do when they try to come into your office is to grab a hold of the door handle, despite there being a sign. We recommend that you postpone any non-essential repairs, notifying your residents of this fact. Turns of recently vacated units should be held off if at all possible, or disinfectant and protective measures taken. Please respect the wishes of your residents if they refuse you entry for a non-essential repair. If an essential repair must be made, such as like an active plumbing leak, a smoke alarm, or anything that pertains to life, health, or safety issues, take all steps to have maintenance wear disposable gloves, use hand sanitizers and disinfectants on all surfaces that are touched, especially those doorknobs, the light switches, handles. Face masks are advisable at all times. If there's a toilet stoppage in a 2-bathroom home, then this might not be considered an essential repair. You might decide to turn the water supply off to that toilet and wait. Be careful considering a jammed garbage disposal as non-essential, as a jammed or clogged garbage disposal could cause the dishwasher to cause a significant leak, as most dishwashers drain into the garbage disposal. If an actual garbage disposal replacement is necessary and you wish to postpone, unplug that dishwasher, turn the dishwasher water supply valve off, and put that repair off until it's safe. All common areas and clubhouses should be closed. All pools, recreation areas closed until further information comes out. our office will be fully staffed unless we're told by government officials to close. And we urge you to call or email us if you have any questions. Remember though, we're lawyers. We're not healthcare workers or experts in this, so we might not be able to answer some of your questions. If a current eviction is already in process and the courts in your county are open, we will continue the eviction process unless or until such time as we are told by you to stop, or if the court system tells us to stop. Again, fully expect that some county judges, clerks, sheriff's departments may hold or delay cases at their discretion. If you have any questions, email us at info@evict.com. For real-time eviction status updates, email us at status@evict.com. And always feel free to call us at 1-800-253-8428. Strange situations are going to pop up. Just today we had one where the sheriff was executing the writ of possession and the tenant claimed that they were in quarantine. The sheriff simply refused to execute the writ of possession even though there was no proof whatsoever. Our staff of 25 will do our best to keep you totally up to date with the information on evict.com, so check there first. Since you might have extra time on your hands or some staff might be sent home, take this time to brush up on your legal knowledge and begin watching our free legal training videos at evicttv.com. We have over 200 free videos on all kinds of legal topics. If you don't want to register or log in that way, you can just click the link provided and see the full list of training videos with all the links. Just click and watch. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe and do everything you can to follow the advice of federal, state, and local health officials as well as your company risk management department.